What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's gonna be another short one real quick. Apologize if the mic is a little bit ugly to look at, but just felt like doing that for this one. So if you guys watched the last video, you should remember me saying something about the VTEC oil pressure sensor or something along the lines of that. It snapped and I had a temporary fix. Actually, I don't even think I put that in the video, but yeah, this sensor right here, I forget what this thing is actually called. It snapped, so I can no longer go into VTEC, and my temporary solution was to tape it up against a thing. I was able to drive it like that for a little bit, and then I think yesterday it came back off. So this also arrived yesterday, so I need to put that on now. I also have a solution for the Hyperblink fix, which is installing an aftermarket relay. This is the OEM one because I already installed it to make sure it worked. Been running with that for like a week, and yeah, it's good. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. I can also show you guys about the relay. And it's kind of hard to see, but if you guys come all the way down here, I believe it is right there where you're looking at. If you look at this one, you can see it focuses that there's two clips on the side, right there and there. So when this is plugged in, it's clipped in and right there, and then there's two things you have to squeeze together on the side like that. So you have to do that at the same time as you wiggle it out. It's a little bit difficult to get out, but you just buy one of these off of Amazon. I'll leave a link and I'll put a thing on the screen right here so you guys can check it out. Make sure you get the right one. It's like a $10 thing, so it's a really easy fix for hyperflashing when you get LEDs, and you guys can just convert it like that. So yeah, I honestly don't need this anymore, but obviously I'm gonna leave it just in case, you know. Let's go ahead and figure out how complicated this is gonna be to swap out. All right, so I literally turned on the car just to move it, so hopefully it's not hot yet. Like 10 seconds it was on. So if you look down here, this thing is super taped up, and I'm not sure if it disconnected or what, but it definitely gave out yesterday because I tried to do a pull. Yeah, VTEC failed on me, so I'm just gonna pull this tape off so I can show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully I don't break anything else. All right, so here's the plug, here's a connector. If you look down here, that is the thing I purchased, and this piece right here is supposed to be on it. It snapped right up against there. So we're gonna try and pull this out. Hopefully oil doesn't leak out. If it does, I have a cup and napkins because I don't wanna drain all the oil to fix it. It should just be twist off and then twist the other one on. Let's figure out what size the thing is. I guess the best solution for that would be to open this one up. Oh yeah, here's the part number in case you're wondering. Yes, it looks like oil is gonna be coming down right here. All right, so it looks to be exactly a 22. Yeah, that's like exactly a 22. I don't have any 22s, so I'm gonna use a 7/8 thing. All right, so this is what I'm gonna use. The wrench doesn't even fit on there, damn. See, this is where having a tripod would be very useful because it's not like I have one of those, you know? All right, so that's broken loose. Okay, so I'm gonna have to be very quick about this if it starts leaking. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the cup down here. Okay, it's leaking very slowly, so that's good. Okay, oh, I got the other one on. I hit the camera, but you guys can sort of see what's going on now. There we go, that's on. It barely leaked. Can I fit this guy in here? So that's new, this is the old one. And then obviously you can see where that split off. And I just gotta connect this guy right there. And that's all done. Once again, that is what was broken because of that. And I believe that happened, I'm assuming probably when I was loosening the filter or tightening it. I might have snapped it and not realized. But yeah, that's a very simple fix for a problem that honestly should not have even happened. But that's what happens when you have fragile plastic for 20 years on a car. Because a lot of the stuff has to get taken out and replaced, because that's just how it is. 20-year-old plastic isn't good on a car. But that's expected. Wasn't that big of a problem. How much was this thing again? I think it was like, it was 80 bucks. So I got this off of Amazon. I was really hoping it was a Honda OEM piece, and it was. Luckily, got shipped from Japan. So the dealer was asking me $130 for this. I saw it listed for 80 bucks on Amazon. The only difference was the wait time. So the dealer said they can have it the next day, and then Amazon said, I think like 3 weeks out. And then I guess it's only been a week since I actually got it, a week and a few days probably. So it wasn't an immediately urgent fix. It's not like the car was completely broken. I was still able to drive it, just not with VTEC. And then obviously I had a temporary solution, so there was that. I think I only paid around like 90 bucks because it was free shipping. So yeah, $10 in tax, 80 bucks for the thing. And then I saved the extra, what, $40? Yeah, so dealers didn't want to budge on the price. So they're like, hey, if you can get it for that, just get it there. It's like, okay, cool. Well, so that's really it. I'm gonna go turn on the car. When I'm on my way to the gym, I'm gonna test it out, make sure everything is still good. And it's not just like, it looks like it's fine now because it's a simple clip, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video and I'll see you guys around. Peace.